Hello guys, today in this video we are going to take a look how to install an operating system inside a Raspberry Pi. If you need to install a OS inside a Raspberry Pi, you need a storage. So basically you can use flash drive or SD card. So insert your SD card or flash drive to your computer and go to Raspberry Pi website, raspberrypi.org, and go to software. So this is a Raspberry Pi imager. So in order to install an operating system, you need to flash the operating system inside your storage. In order to flash the operating system inside the storage, we need to install the Raspberry Pi imager. So Raspberry Pi imager help us to flash the operating system inside our SD card or any other storage. So you go and download the Raspberry Pi imager. So they have three different options for Windows and Mac OS and Ubuntu. Go and download whatever operating system you are using. So I'm using Windows. So download the Raspberry Pi imager and go and install the Raspberry Pi imager. So after you're done installing your Raspberry Pi imager, open your Raspberry Pi imager. So it will bring this window. So the Raspberry Pi imager having good UI. So this is pretty straightforward. You can choose your operating system. If you already download any operating system, you can use your custom operating system, or if you want to erase any other operating system, you can go and erase. And I'm going with the Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit. You can choose any of your operating system if you want to download or install. So I'm going to install the Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit. It's a Debian version, and this is a recommended version. If you want to install the Ubuntu, you can go and install the Ubuntu. They do have all the version of Ubuntu. They do have the server version and also the home version of Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to install the Raspberry Pi operating system 32-bit. And second step, you have to select the storage that you want to install the operating system. So go and choose the flash drive you want to, a flash drive or any other storage. Then a prompt window will appear, and yes, and it is writing. So basically that's it, and it will automatically write and flash your selected operating system inside. And after writing the operating system, you can go and insert your storage to your Raspberry Pi, and you are free to run the operating system inside your Raspberry Pi. So that's all about this video. And the Raspberry Pi's imager software is straight and forward, and I will see you guys on the next video.